Okay guys, I have got a new car with the extra installation. If anyone have got any medical problem, I have got a extra wheel. If you cannot drive with the both hand, I have got extra wheel which can be installed here, so you can drive with the one hand. I mean with one hand steering. And I also have got extra controls. This is normal control. You can use your right leg for gas and the brake pedal. If you have got a problem with your right foot, you always can use your left foot. If I pull this one up and push this one down, so you can drive with the left foot. Gas pedal and the brake pedal. And if you have got a medical issue, you cannot use your feet, I have got accelerator here. If you pull to yourself, this is a gas pedal, works as a gas, and if you push it forward, it's a brake pedal, works as a brake, so push it forward to stop the car. And also they have got extra indicator, so you press this button for right, this one for left. This is a flashing light horn. You always can call AA Driving School. You can ask for me, or you always can call me to continue with your driving lessons.